Welcome to Modenique, a place where timeless interiors, beautiful traditions, and inspiring home styling come together. As spring gently awakens the world, homes begin to fill with soft light, fresh flowers, and delicate seasonal touches. In today's video, we are celebrating the beauty and meaning of Easter through elegant decor, nostalgic traditions, and charming vintage details that have been loved for generations. From beautifully decorated Easter tables and woven baskets filled with pastel eggs, to porcelain bunny figurines, delicate spring florals, and cozy cottage-inspired interiors, this video will take you through a collection of serene and inspiring spaces that capture the true essence of the season. You'll discover how simple elements, fresh tulips on a windowsill, a bowl of hand-painted eggs, soft linen table settings, and timeless vintage decor can transform a home into a warm and welcoming spring retreat. Whether you love classic Easter traditions, vintage aesthetics, or elegant seasonal decorating, these ideas will inspire you to create a home that feels joyful, peaceful, and beautifully connected to the spirit of spring. So take a moment to relax, enjoy the gentle atmosphere of the season, and immerse yourself in these timeless Easter decorating ideas. There is something quietly magical about Easter. It arrives gently, carried on the first warm breezes of spring, when the world slowly begins to wake from winter's long sleep. The days grow brighter, gardens begin to bloom again, and homes fill with soft light, fresh flowers, and delicate decorations that celebrate the beauty of the season. At its heart, Easter is a celebration of renewal, hope, and new beginnings. For many families around the world, it is not only a religious holiday, but also a time filled with traditions that have been lovingly passed down through generations. These traditions appear in simple yet meaningful ways. Through the way homes are decorated, the objects placed carefully on tables and shelves, and the small details that bring a sense of joy to the season. As spring arrives, homes begin to transform. Windows are opened to welcome fresh air, sunlight dances across wooden floors, and soft pastel colors replace the heavier tones of winter. Living rooms and dining tables become spaces of warmth and celebration, decorated with symbols that have long been connected to the spirit of Easter. One of the most beloved traditions is the decorating of Easter eggs. For centuries, families have gathered around kitchen tables to dye and paint eggs in delicate colors, soft blues, gentle pinks, pale yellows, and fresh greens that mirror the colors of spring. Some eggs are simply dyed in warm bowls of color, while others are carefully painted with intricate floral patterns or folk designs. These eggs symbolize life, rebirth, and the beauty of new beginnings. Once decorated, they are often displayed throughout the home, resting inside woven baskets, arranged in ceramic bowls, or placed gently within small decorative nests made of twigs and moss. These tiny works of art carry a sense of nostalgia, reminding many people of childhood moments spent laughing and creating together. Another cherished symbol of Easter is the rabbit. The Easter bunny has long been associated with the season as a symbol of life and fertility, reflecting the abundance of springtime. In many homes, delicate bunny figurines appear on mantels, coffee tables, and shelves. Some are made of porcelain with hand-painted details, others carved from wood or crafted from soft ceramic. Over time, these pieces often become treasured heirlooms, decorations that return every year and quietly hold memories of past celebrations. Woven baskets are another timeless element of Easter tradition. Their rustic texture and natural charm feel perfectly suited to the season of renewal. Filled with colorful eggs, fresh flowers, or sweet treats, baskets bring a sense of warmth and abundance into a home. Placed near an entryway, beside a window, or at the center of a dining table, they evoke the simple joy of an Easter morning. Flowers play perhaps the most beautiful role in Easter decorating. Spring blossoms symbolize life returning to the earth after winter's quiet stillness. Tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and lilies fill homes with gentle color and fragrance. A simple vase of fresh flowers placed on a windowsill or dining table can instantly brighten a space, reminding us that the world outside is blooming once again. Among these flowers, lilies hold a particularly special meaning during Easter. Their pure white petals have long symbolized renewal, hope, and spiritual rebirth. In many homes and churches, Easter lilies are displayed as a reminder of the deeper meaning behind the celebration. But Easter decorating is not only about individual objects, it is about creating an atmosphere. Soft linens draped across tables, lace runners layered beneath delicate china, candles flickering beside small arrangements of flowers. Every detail contributes to a feeling of warmth, calm, and quiet celebration. Dining tables often become the heart of Easter gatherings. Families gather around beautifully prepared meals, sharing stories, laughter, and traditions that connect one generation to the next. The table itself becomes a canvas for seasonal beauty, plates set upon embroidered linens, napkins folded carefully beside delicate glassware, and centerpieces filled with spring blossoms and decorative eggs. These small gestures transform an ordinary meal into a meaningful moment. They remind us that decorating is not simply about aesthetics. It is about creating a space where people feel welcome, where memories are made, and where traditions continue to live. Perhaps the most touching aspect of Easter decor is the sense of history it carries. Many decorations are not new. A porcelain bunny passed down from a grandmother, a woven basket used by generations of children during Easter mornings, a delicate lace tablecloth brought out only once a year. These pieces carry stories of family gatherings, laughter, and celebrations long past. Each year, when these familiar decorations return, they bring with them a feeling of comfort and continuity. They remind us that while time moves forward, the traditions we cherish remain. Easter also invites us to slow down and appreciate the beauty of simple things. The soft glow of morning sunlight across a decorated table, the gentle colors of pastel eggs resting in a bowl, the fragrance of fresh flowers drifting through an open window. These small details create moments of quiet joy that make the season feel truly special. For many, Easter morning itself feels almost magical. Homes filled with spring decorations seem to glow in the early light. Baskets wait patiently on tables, flowers open toward the sun, and the promise of a new day feels especially meaningful. And in that moment, surrounded by beauty, tradition, and loved ones, the true essence of Easter becomes clear. It is not only a celebration of spring, it is a celebration of renewal, a celebration of hope, a reminder that after every season of darkness, light always returns. And as families gather, decorate their homes, and continue the traditions passed down through generations, Easter becomes more than a single day on the calendar. It becomes a living memory, one that grows richer with each passing year, and one that will continue to be cherished for generations yet to come. Thank you for spending this peaceful spring moment with Monique. We hope these elegant Easter interiors and timeless decorating ideas inspired you to bring a touch of seasonal beauty and warmth into your own home. Sometimes the most meaningful decorations are the simplest ones: fresh flowers, cherished heirloom pieces, and traditions that make a space feel truly special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new inspirations from Monique. Here, we explore beautiful homes, timeless interiors, and seasonal decor ideas designed to make everyday living feel elegant and inspiring. And if this video sparked ideas for your own Easter decorations, share your thoughts or favorite details in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating spaces that feel warm, beautiful, and uniquely yours. See you in the next video on Monique.